In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to upload full screen video on TikTok. So there are two methods to upload horizontal videos on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and tap on the plus icon in the middle. Then, select upload and choose a video. If the video has two horizontal black bars, it is already in the correct orientation. The second method is to film directly through the TikTok video recording screen. Tap on 15 seconds and record the video. Tap on the check mark to proceed. Then, tap on the download arrow in the right corner to access the editing options. Tap on the video and scroll to the right to find the rotate feature. Here, you can adjust the orientation of your video on TikTok. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.